How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. What we have? We have the Xbox Series S right over here, and that can be yours. Or how about the PlayStation 5 they show you right over there? Yes, it can be yours. And it's pretty simple. How am I going to do that? Simple enough. Scan our QR code. It will send you to our page right on Amazon, or the link below. Click follow, because that's the only thing you need to do. You need to participate on the giveaway. You need to follow MEDIABOXENT right in our Amazon Live page. Click on it, follow, and then for more details, yes, watch some of our videos on Amazon Live, and you will know what to do next. See you next time. Bye.